Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am cooking a roasted smashed potato in the oven. I'm boiling it first and showing you guys how I cook those. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. I'm boiling some potatoes so that I can make some smashed potatoes in the oven. So you boil them for about 10-15 minutes till they get fairly soft. They don't have to be all the way soft, just soft enough to smash. These are potatoes that I got from my garden. I like to put a little bit of, use butter, but I put grapeseed oil, either one will work, as well as a little bit of bouillon in here just for some flavor. And I'm going to smash them up on that pan and put a little bit of garlic and rosemary and thyme and a little bit of pepper and onion powder and salt. So let's stay tuned for that. Alright, you're going to drain your potatoes. You don't have to dust them off. Don't have a whole bunch of them here because I should be eating potatoes, but they're good and steamy. So let's go smash them and dress them. Okay, I got some fresh rosemary and some fresh thyme out of the garden. I just washed it and I'm gonna put it here. Oh my god, fresh herbs smell so good. I'm just blocking it all in the camera, I ain't even looking. Same with the rosemary, and I need all this rosemary. No, I just need one sprig because I just a little bit of potatoes, but I love rosemary and thyme together. So good. I put that in the refrigerator. I got some more thyme in there. So I put them in the refrigerator together and save them for my next meal. And I just want to break it up just a little bit. Probably better off chopping this up since it's fresh instead of dried. But I'm going to pour it over the top of it. Let's just break it up. And put a little bit of oil in here. A little bit of garlic. I got some fresh garlic out my garden. So everything from these will be from the garden. Let's get some oil. Put a little oil in there. Not a lot of oil. I already have a garlic clove that I used earlier to make something else that's on the stove. You can hear stuff frying. That's what it is. And I used this board earlier for what I was cooking in the stove. So, got stuff on it already. Let you smush your garlic. I don't need all those. Probably just two. And just peel it, peel that, and then just chop this up. Alright, put it all in there. Got a little bit of the leafy, the outside, but that's okay. Just infuse a little bit as I smush the potatoes. And you can make this in advance, a little bit in advance if you want to let it sit, but it's going to be very good on those potatoes. Preheat your oven for about, to 400, 425. They're already done So you just want them to crisp up in the oven. Let me move this to the side. So, let's dump the potatoes out. Have my potato masher that I've had for 20-some years. And they are soft. You just cook them long enough to get them soft, or you can smush them. No rhyme or reason. And you can smush them as, you don't want to smush them like I did that one too far. You just want to smush them enough where they're not broken and they're still attached at the bottom of the potato. If you push down too much, they'll break up like that. That one's cooked a little bit too long. And all you do, because you got the oil, let's bring y'all up just a little bit so you can see. Have everything in frame. There we go. And you just pour. Try to get a little bit on each one of them. Leave no potato left behind. And they will crisp up and be freaking delicious. Even the broken one. It'll still be good even though it's broken. And I have a little bit of extra garlic powder because that's what we do. Even though we put garlic on here, we still want a little bit more. A little bit more onion powder. Well, we don't have any, but a little onion powder, not much. I always say that would be much. And a little black pepper. And then we're going to sprinkle just a little bit of sea salt. But guys, when I say this is going to be delicious, we got some Himalayan pink sea salt. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on there. I think I got my oven on 400, maybe 425. But let's take this to the oven. It's on 400. Oven. And we're going to leave it in here for about 15 minutes. I'm going to turn it up if it's not already on that. 400 is good, but I would say at least 425, 450. I didn't realize I didn't have it up. We're going to put it on bake time. We're going to put this on 10 minutes. And yeah, that is it. I'll let you guys see when they finish. Oh, they look so good. Don't they look so freaking delicious? I'm in my garden. I put my potato harvest. I think I put the name on that because I forget what name they are because it's been a little bit since I harvested them. This one's going to be really good because it's really country. But let's do a taste test of one of those. They're going to be awfully hot. And I think I want that one because it's crispy. And I freaking love crispy. It's like French fry. I need to use my camera and put you guys up, but I have not. So we're going to taste these. Looking in the wrong spot because I'm using my phone instead of my camera. But these are going to be so freaking delicious. And so hot on my mouth. Hear that crunch? Oh my God. So good. If you never made these, try them. They are so good. If you're diabetic, eat a little bit like me. But I may end up eating them all. But love these. Love, love, love. And these potatoes are so buttery. You don't even need butter. They taste buttery already. And with the garlic and the rosemary and thyme, just sets it off to a new level. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And yeah, thank you guys for checking out my video, and I hope to see you all in my very next video. Bye bye.